How to increase job success score on Upwork. First of all, open your preferred browser and then log into your account. After that, go to Stats and Trends section. Your job success score is one of the most important metrics on Upwork as it reflects your overall performance and reliability as a freelancer. To increase your job success score, always focus on delivering high quality work. Make sure you understand the client's requirements clearly before starting any project and communicate regularly to avoid misunderstandings. Complete your projects on time and maintain professionalism in every interaction. Meeting deadlines and exceeding client expectations will lead to positive feedback, which directly boosts your job success score. Avoid contract inactivity or long-term open contracts with no work. If a project is completed, ask the client to close the contract and leave feedback. Keeping too many idle contracts can negatively impact your score. Choose the right jobs. Only accept projects that match your skills and experience. If you take on jobs you are not confident in, you risk poor outcomes or negative feedback, which can lower your job success score. Build long-term client relationship. Repeat clients and long-term contracts with high satisfaction can significantly improve your job success score over time. Finally, stay active on the platform. Consistency in delivering successful projects is the best way to maintain and increase your job success score. Now you know how to increase your job success score on Upwork. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.